Hey all, Steve from GuitarNiche here. We have a fresh off the bench SRV #1 clone, okay? This thing, well, we're gonna have a quick look at what went into it and how it sounds. Okay, so the tuners here are nice quality Schallers. Okay, the body is MTJ, I believe, MJT, sorry, out of the States. The neck is Musikraft, that's Music K Raft, so it's Musikraft with a K. And again, that's out of the States. The pickups are Klein, let me get my notes here, are Klein Epic Series hand wound. Okay, so we're gonna give those a quick listen. And the bridge, the hardware, all the good stuff is genuine Fender parts. Okay, the controls are CTS, the jack is Switchcraft, you know, all the you know, the best parts and stuff like that. So anyway, that's the bridge pickup, and the amp is set on kind of medium shiny dirty, you know, to use a word, right? So it's not too much gain, not excessive, but not pristine clean either, right? So we want to hear what a little bit of gain is going to do to the overall sound. Okay, all right. So that's position 1. Okay, and position 2. And this is up full. Everything is up full. Okay, there's no attenuation from the tone pots or anything like that. Okay, position 3. Okay, 4, which a lot of people like. By the way, the strings are 11s, Ernie Ball 11s, Cobalt. Okay, 11s at pitch are going to be a little bit stiffer, obviously, but you know, they suit the instrument pretty good. And here's the here's the neck pickup. That's beautiful, okay? Here's my Wambly bar, because I don't have one. That came with it. Sorry, well, I do, but the customer didn't supply one, so. Anyway, I'll fish for it. Anyway, it sounds great. It sounds like what it's supposed to sound like, plays like, you know, just crazy good. But then again, you know, that's my thing is doing setups, right? So anyway, it's got a bone nut, okay? Rosewood fingerboard, you know, all the good stuff. The fellow who requisitioned this, he's meticulous about his parts. I mean, look at the springs in the back there. You know, they're rusty, but they're brand new, and that's awesome. Okay, if you're into that sort of thing, which, you know, a lot of us are. This is pretty cool. Anyway, it turned out great. Sounds just fabulous. Okay, hope you enjoyed this. Okay, there will be this is going to be also cataloged, or I'll have a full description of the whole setup process for this instrument on the site, and we'll look forward to seeing you there, and take care. Thanks. Bye-bye.